if you have not yet subscribed. In this video, I am going to talk about career returning program for women in India. Women who have taken career break and wants to restart their career with a full-time employment, it's not that easy in India. Though many companies in India talks about women equality, diversity, but not many have a well-structured program to guide women to come back to the workforce. So women who are moving out of the workforce, it leads to social or economical impacts on our country. That's why some of the companies in India have taken some good measurements to bring back women to the workforce by having some of the programs like return to workforce or career returning programs. So these programs are designed in such a way that they offer training or internship to reskill their technologies to the latest level and finally offer them with the full-time employment as well. So I have gathered some of the returning programs in India and I will walk through you with the details here. Let us see the list of companies who are providing career returning program for women. First one is Accenture. They have a program called Career Reboot. About this program, they provide 6 months of training to upgrade the skills and technologies, and this program is offered in all over India. Let us move on to their website and check out the details. So this is their page for Career Reboot, and if you click on apply now, it will take you to this page. Here you need to just upload your resume and fill basic details and advanced details requested. So based on their current requirement, they will get back to you. And few more things you can just check out in this page. If you scroll down, just go through all these details. End of this page, they have an Accenture career blog, and you can just sign up here to receive their job alerts and latest news as well. The next one is Capgemini. They have a program Captivate to bring back women career returning. About this program, candidates will be evaluated based on certain parameters which are listed here, and they also give various skills-based training programs for women returning. This program is offered in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai. Let us move on to their website to check out their details. So this is their website about Captivate program, and all the details are given here. Just go through the details about their eligibility and selection process, and there is no place to register your resume, but you can always check out their job search current openings. Next one is PayPal. They have a program called Recharge. About this program, they provide 6 weeks internship program to equip women technologies to bring back with the skills required. So this program is offered in Chennai and Bangalore. Let's move on to their website to see about the details. So this is their web page, and you can do a job search for the current requirements, current open position. Go through the details about this program. There is a FAQ section as well. You can just go through these details. The fourth company is ThoughtWorks. They have a program called Vapasi. For this program, they conduct 4-week certified technical training program to sharpen the programming and testing skills for the women returnees through hands-on sessions. This program is offered all over India. So just check their website periodically to know about their training camp details, boot camp details. Let's check in their website. This is their website, and right now they have listed for Pune and Bangalore, but the programs are yet to happen because of this pandemic situation. They have also mentioned the 2020 Vapasi schedule. So the nearest schedule is on September in Chennai for developers. So if you are interested and looking for restarting your career, just register here. Next one is Visual BI Solutions. They have returning women program, and they are mainly focusing on business intelligence and analytical related services. About this program, they provide training in business intelligence related products before assigning the candidates into the projects. So this is offered in Chennai, and if we look at their website about this program, they have given all the requirements listed here, what type of roles you can apply for. So they have mentioned the details of roles as well. So just check out these details, and apply for this job. Next one is Fidelity Investments India. They have a program, Resume. About this program, they offer 6 months internship opportunity. After the successful completion of the internship, they will be offered with full-time employee. Their main location is in Chennai and Bangalore. Let us move on to their website. So about this program, their website has some of the details. You can just go through about this Resume program. If you have any queries, you can contact talent acquisition team. There is no registration page as such, but you can just search the job category wise and location wise. The next company is Target. Their career returning program is Bounce Back. About this program, they have 12 to 16 weeks of internship program in various skills and technologies. This program is mainly offered in Bangalore. Let us look at their website. They have not specified much of the details about this program. You can always write back to this email ID with your resume. And current openings are listed if you click on Join Us button. So these are the list of jobs currently available in India. So just go through these details. Next one is Tata Groups of companies. They offer second career internship program. And about this program, they have lot of career options under this SCIP category according to different roles and flexible hours of working. This program is offered in all over India. Let us take a look at their website. These are the current openings they have listed under different Tata companies. You can just go through these tabs to get to know more details, and they have specified the highlights of the program as well. And you can check out the current opportunities here and register today. You can sign up and fill up all the details required so that you will get a user ID and password to check your status of your resume. Next one is Amazon. They have a program, Rekindle, and prerequisite women who have taken a minimum of 12 months career break and prior experience that matches job requirements for the current positions. So this program is offered all over India, and let's take a look at their web page. And this is their Rekindle program web page, and they have currently 7 open jobs. Check out this page about all the details. And they have Amazon interview process. If you look at this, they have clearly given the details. What are the steps you need to go through to clear the rounds, and each and everything is clearly given with the explanation here, and FAQ is also given. So just go through these details. The last one is Goldman Sachs. They have returnship program. They offer 12 weeks paid training program to strengthen the technical skills and explore into a new career path. This program is offered in Bangalore. Let us take a look at their website about this program. They have given the details, what are the expected things from you and the eligibility criteria. Right now this program in India, it's going to happen on October 26, 2020. If you are interested, contact this email ID with your resume. Hope the information presented here will be useful to some of you. See you in my next video with another interesting topic. Until then, it's me, Suchi, signing off from you all. Bye-bye.